Robotics is no longer science fiction. Today, robots are transforming how wars are fought, how cars are built, and how aircraft are designed and maintained. From autonomous military systems to robotic factories and intelligent aviation technologies, robotics is shaping the future of global industries. In this video, we explore how robotics is used in the military, automotive, and aviation industries, and why this technology is changing the world forever. In modern warfare, robots reduce human risk and increase operational efficiency. Military robotics includes unmanned ground vehicles, autonomous drones, and robotic defense systems. These machines are used for surveillance, bomb disposal, logistics, and even combat support. Autonomous drones can scan large battlefields, detect threats, and transmit real-time data to commanders. Ground robots can enter dangerous zones, handling explosives, clearing mines, or delivering supplies without risking soldiers' lives. Robotics has turned modern armies into high-tech forces where precision, speed, and intelligence define victory. The automotive industry relies heavily on robotics for speed, precision, and safety. In modern factories, robotic arms weld car frames, paint vehicle bodies, and assemble complex components with millimeter accuracy. Unlike humans, robots can work continuously, 24 hours a day, without fatigue. Robotics also plays a major role in autonomous vehicles. Sensors, AI-driven robotics, and machine learning systems allow cars to detect obstacles, read traffic signs, and make real-time driving decisions. From factory floors to self-driving technology, robotics is redefining how vehicles are built and driven. Aviation demands extreme precision, and robotics delivers it. Robots are used to assemble aircraft components, inspect engines, and maintain airframes with microscopic accuracy. Robotic inspection systems can detect cracks or defects invisible to the human eye. In aviation research, autonomous drones and robotic aircraft are tested for cargo delivery, surveillance, and even future passenger transport. Robotics increases safety, reduces costs, and accelerates innovation in the skies above us. As robotics continues to evolve, the line between human control and machine intelligence becomes thinner. In the military, robotics may redefine warfare. In automotive industries, it accelerates automation and autonomous driving. And in aviation, it pushes the limits of safety and innovation. Robotics is not replacing humans. It is extending human capability into places once impossible to reach. If you enjoyed this deep dive into robotics and future technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay curious because the future is being built today.